New York City has a reputation for being one of the most expensive places to live in the US. But just how much would it cost you to live there? How much does the most expensive apartment in the city cost? Come with us as we step into Billionaire's Row, a set of skyscrapers that hold NYC's most expensive apartment. A brief history. The apartment in question is 432 Park Avenue. Occupying the entire floor space of the 96th floor is one of the duplexes on Billionaire's Row. We are sure you have not seen anything like this. It occupies 8,300 square feet and comes with a 93-foot-long living room and dining room. The breathtaking penthouse is located on Billionaire's Row, Central Park South. It is called Billionaire's Row for a reason, and this particular unit, located at the infamous 432 Park Ave, is on the market for a massive $169 million. If it goes for anything close to that, it will be the most expensive home in Manhattan after Ken Griffin's penthouse that is worth $238 million. However, the unit was not listed for that much in the beginning. It was bought in 2016 for $87.7 million, which is almost half of the asking price now. The buyer was Fawaz Albuquerque, a real estate developer, although he never occupied it. The 8,225 square foot apartment has a lot going for it. For instance, you will get stunning views because the unit is located on the 96th floor, a building with a height of almost 1,400 square feet. To make it easier to get the views, the property has 24 windows that allow you to get a spectacular view of Central Park and other parts of New York City. The asking price includes furniture. What you probably do not know is that this apartment comes furnished with bespoke and timeless pieces from renowned brands like Bentley, Fendi, and Hermes. Other notable things in this house include a brass plate and customized piano. Therefore, if you are considering moving in, you want to know that the asking price includes the furnishings therein. It has 6 bedrooms. Finding a spacious house in a busy city like New York often proves to be difficult, but not with this particular apartment. We say that because it features 6 spacious bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, so if you are the kind of person that likes to have guests sleeping over, this would be a great choice. The thing we love the most about the bedrooms is that each one comes furnished with high-quality beds and linens. Besides, it has a separate library that you can utilize for reading or working from home in this COVID-19 era. As if that is not enough, it comes with a private elevator. Natural lighting. One of the first things you are likely to notice once you enter the apartment is that it has many extremely large videos. These are not only to make the space appear bigger, but they also let in a good amount of natural lighting. This is a good thing as it makes the space look bigger and adds a touch of class to it. The kitchen. The developer of this unit, Andrew Cohen, certainly did a good job with the interior. We are talking about marble backsplashes and countertops, white oak floors with chrome fixtures. With such, you will look forward to spending time in the kitchen, whether cooking or doing dishes. Another thing we found appealing about the kitchen is that it comes with a double of everything, including the dishwasher and stove. You also get built-in appliances, so you do not have to bother about buying any when you move into the apartment. The same thing goes for cutlery and cookware. The closets. The unit's primary suite features 2 walk-in closets. This has to be some good news if you are a fashion lover, because you will have ample space to keep your clothes. In the same wing, you will get 2 bathrooms, with each having floating tubs overlooking the city below. Who wouldn't want to take their baths in such luxury? The amenities. When it comes to the apartment's amenities, you have to say that you get quite a decent package. First, you get 30,000 square feet of space, and in that, there is a conference room, movie theater, outdoor terrace, sauna, yoga studio, fitness center, pool, hotel, and more. There are even wine cellars for those who love to indulge and on-site parking for you and your guests. Let us look at what some of these amenities have to offer. Hotel. Now, we have already mentioned that the apartment comes with a high-class kitchen, but that doesn't mean you always have to be in the mood to cook or even have time to do it. After all, New York City is a busy city. Because of that, you will appreciate the fact that the building housing the apartment has a fully functional hotel. That means you have a 5-star chef waiting to do all the cooking you need to just by placing a call. This brings luxury right to your doorstep. You also don't have to worry about chores because the hotel provides an array of services, from housekeeping and cooking to laundry. All you have to do is call the hotel's concierge and any service you want can be arranged within a moment's notice. Private elevator. Seeing as the hotel is on the ground floor, you are probably worried about bumping into guests as you make your way to your apartment on the upper floors. Nevertheless, this should be the least of your worries. Why? Simply because the building provides a private elevator that will take you straight to your living room. Pampering services. Whether you need a massage after a long day, a facial, manicure, or pedicure, you can get it as soon as you arrive home. This is because the building offers these services, and again, all you will be required to do is place a call requesting for the same. There is a 75-foot indoor pool where you can take a dip to cool off or to relax, as well as a separate jacuzzi. Both women and men's locker rooms have a sauna, steam, and treatment rooms specifically for spa and massage services. You can also access therapy, nutrition, and wellness programs if you wish so. Gym. Aside from that, there is a fitness center complete with a gym and personal trainers, as well as a yoga studio where you get to do your meditation. According to Belinsky of Span Architecture, this penthouse is a typical trophy property. Everything is done to perfection, and it has been done to match the needs of potential homebuyers. It will be hard to resist such a property, don't you think? Extra attic space. If you have things that you want to safely store away for the long term, or just an additional room for whatever, you'll be pleased to learn that this penthouse comes with a spacious attic. The attic also works to control temperatures in the penthouse. Conference room. If you are ever in need of a place to hold your meetings for the office, you do not have to go out to look for one. That is because the building offers a conference room with all the furnishings required for one. In there, you can easily conduct Zoom calls or hold physical meetings with your employees or colleagues. Movie theater. The designer of this penthouse did have everything thought out and implemented, in case you crave some entertainment while chilling in your penthouse. The complex holding the penthouse has a movie theater that functions just like the ones you are used to. There, you get to entertain yourself or your guests with the latest movies. Mirrored hallway. Just next to the dining room area of the penthouse, you will notice a huge mirror. The first thing that probably comes to mind is that it is for admiring oneself, which is not far from the truth, but the huge mirrors make the space appear elegant and larger as well. Apartment location. 432 Park Avenue is an apartment in a skyscraper located on the 57th Street and Park Avenue in Manhattan, New York City. The best part about it perhaps is that it overlooks Central Park, hence giving you a great view of nature and the city below. That said, 432 Park has been under criticism for supposedly causing problems that have led to bigger issues, including leaks. The 96th floor penthouse would make a great investment, but you do want to ensure everything is in place before splurging a whopping $169 million for the property. That's all we have for you today, but we have a few questions. Is the price of this apartment justified? Can you part with such an amount for an apartment? Let us know in the comments. Kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more such content. See you next time.